Hello, today we speak about cells. Cells. We can teach you how to sell anything with smartly and with preparations. In sales, they have three parts. That is P E U. When you smart in sale, then you have learned these three technique. First is preparations. First is preparations. When you prepare your things that you can sell any persons, that is called preparations. Means whatever you sell to other person, first you prepare within self that what I sell to other persons. Then people ask you so many questions. Then you can reply with confidence all the questions. Then they can thinking you that you can good. And the other, when you don't understanding other persons, then they can think you are a scam. You're doing a scam with them. So first you prepare yourself to that what you sell to other persons. Then we come to E. E means essential. Essential means two things. Emotions. Emotions means the customer which buy your product, they have two things. First is sales. First are fear, and the other one is learning. The first one is dream and the other one is fear. They have two perspective. In emotions, dream and fear. First you tell him dream. Sir, if you purchase these things, then you can earn more things. Like when you sell a course, then you told them, sir, when you learn these things, then you can earn 50 to 60K in 1 month. So you can told him to dream that in future they can earn more and more money by purchasing this course. This is called dream. And the other one is fear. Fear means you told to customer, when you don't buy this course, then you will be lack of job, because AI market, then you cannot defeat, then you lose your job. Then you can what telling to customer? Fear. You can tell them that when you are not purchasing this course, then you will lose your job, because in future AI will comes, then they can grab your job, they can give your job. So you can learn this course, update your skills, and that's why emotions is triggered here. And the third point is urgency. Urgency means like urgency means you can do on that day when you purpose. Like I understand a topic, then we can write on same day, because when we write the things on paper, then we will more understand every topic. So we can just write. And we talk about urgency. Urgency means when you think that I sell the course of them, then you can go and sell, because when you not sell them, then other people come and sell them the same course. That's why you can go and sell them first, because when you not selling the product and said I will go tomorrow and 2-3 days later, then the other peoples come and sell. That's why I am telling you, every success person can take first actions, then they can tell their story. So this is the point of sales. And in sales, you can also focus on speaking confidence and try to convince people with your preparations. That's why it's look good. Thank you for today.